So happy Vlogmas day 2. Is the lighting weird? It's kind of weird, huh? We're gonna go with it. Day 1 just went up today because my internet was, I think it was my internet was just playing me. So hopefully this episode uploads nice and smooth. I was watching a lot of Vlogmas, other videos from other creators yesterday. I've always watched Vlogmas from other creators, and I know that a lot of these creators, they plan their content. So all of these uploads that are going up every day, they're pre-planned, and it's so hard for me to not get into like comparison and like beat myself up. I'm like, well, if you were a better planner, or if you did, like, just that negative self-talk. But I had to catch myself, give myself grace. I didn't wash my face last night, and I've been so good about it, but I'm just like, okay, things don't have to be perfect all the time. And I think, you know, this work that I've done on myself this past year has a lot to do with being perfect, like in anything, especially around the holidays, because it's such a stressful time. There's a lot of pressure, so much pressure. So I'm just like, okay, just chill. So if you get day 2 of Vlogmas up on day 3, like, it's not the end of the world. And because you didn't plan out all of your content and was organized, you know what? I give up. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, he's eating his breakfast. Oh, they look sad. Oh. That one's colors is so pretty. Come here, little guy.
And then I'm also going to change her from a long hair to a short hair.
They look so sad. What are you doing? Why does my hat look so crusty? I look crusty. Shopping for Mariah's birthday present, and the stores were insane. Okay, green light. I got this sticker here at... crap, I forgot where I got it. I got it at the mall, and it's really cool. It's a sun catcher sticker, and it reflects onto the wall, and it's so pretty. I also have one in my car, and I just love them. What are you doing over there? You're so cutie patootie. I have had the worst headache all day today. Like I mentioned yesterday, I am in my luteal phase. I'm really feeling it. The fatigue, the headaches, the itchiness, sensitivity. Not me crying in the card aisle today looking for a birthday card for Mariah. I was like, dude, get it together. Yeah, everything makes me cry. Mariah should be here in a little bit. I'm excited to see her and give her her gift. Tomorrow we're gonna have dinner at my mom's. She's gonna make us tacos. But today I have to clean. I was gonna film my favorite books and just have that as a vlog, but I think I'm gonna save that for a video like during the week, since I'm a little bit more pressed for time. And I'm gonna do some cleaning. My house needs some love. Tons of dishes. I have to do some laundry. And so I'm just gonna spend today like cleaning, resetting the house, and then just having like a slow self-care evening because I just don't feel good. This is the look for today. I didn't wash my hair. I am not doing my makeup. This is as good as it's gonna get today. Oh, I did go to Ross and TJ Maxx today where I spent 30 minutes in each line. It was an hour of waiting in line today. Ross only had one cashier and this poor girl was hustling and people in line were like talking smack, and it's just like, dude, just have some patience. Like, come on, it's not her fault. Bianca went to my mom's today to help her put up her tree and do stuff with grandma. And the traffic, like it takes me like 45 minutes to get to my mom's, and today it took me over an hour. And then it took me over an hour to get back. I wanted to get some shopping done today, but I'm just gonna do it online because I can't deal with the parking, all of the people. Like you can't even really look at stuff in the stores around in my area because they're just so packed. Lines are so long, just the whole thing. I just want to be in the house. So, all right, I'm gonna jump into cleaning. Can you do something for me? 21. So I didn't get to do dishes last night, so I'm gonna tackle this.
Tell me what's your sign. Tell me where you were born and what time. Wanna know how our planets align. Baby boy, let me get in your mind. Get in your mind. Tell me what's your sign. Tell me where you were born and what time. Wanna know how our planets align. Baby boy, let me get in your mind. Get in your mind. Yeah, something so different. Way that you hit and let's get out of our body then. Spent all day up in this bed. Feel like take a test. Got me like, oh my god, this is so incredible. Hold it, let's spin, don't stop, yeah. We too compatible, yeah. Don't gotta think too hard, no. Organic, it's natural, yeah. Oh, tell me what's your sign. Tell me where you were born and what time. Wanna know how our planets align. Baby boy, let me get in your mind. Get in your mind. Tell me what's your sign. Tell me where you were born and what time. Wanna know how our planets align. Baby boy, let me get in your mind. Get in your mind. Let me know sun moon rising. Let me know what you hiding. Loving what I've been seeing. Know that those stars not lying. Baby, my Venus and Leo. Know that my heart is on fire. Burning with passion, desire. Balance me out with that water. Push away, then you pull me right back. And it feel right when you hold me like that. Know what I need, even though I don't last. Pull me right back, pull me right. Tell me what's your sign. Tell me where you were born and what time. Wanna know how our planets align. Baby boy, let me get in your mind. Get in your mind.
living room and kitchen are clean and it feels so good. I think I'm gonna clean out my car in a little bit. I have stuff in the washer, stuff in the dryer. I have to clean Doja's poop box. Real exciting stuff going on. Something about lighting something about lighting a candle when you're done cleaning. Do you guys light your candle before you clean, or do you light your candle after? Most of the time I do it after. Sometimes I'll do it before. It depends on my mood, I guess. Hi, Funny Dew. Ever wanna come help me? Ever wanna come help me? You got potential. You got potential. It's starting to get warm, probably because I'm moving around. What a day. Hi, honey. I have been wanting to get one of those like Robo kitty boxes. They're so expensive though. But I've heard really good things. Like, people love them. If you guys have a cat and you have the Robo litter box, let me know if it's worth it. They're my favorite little duty. They're my favorite. They're gonna get her poopy box clean. Yeah, because you're a princess baby. You don't ever come to me yet. You don't ever come to me yet. Got some PR from Hard Candy. Thought I would share it with you guys. So it looks like they sent over some lip stuff. I've tried the Instapout lip liner and the Instapout lip melts before, so I already know that I love them. These are like lip balms and they're so freaking nice. I haven't tried these, so I'm excited. This is the Lasting Plumping lip gloss and clear, and then this is the Gentle Plumping Without the Pain. I'm excited to try that because these plumping lip glosses can be super uncomfortable, so I'll let you guys know. These lip liners are so freaking good. I love them. I don't want to open these, so I'll show you one that I already have, but I love them because it's the twist up, which I'm a huge fan of. You don't have to worry about sharpening, and they're so creamy and smooth. And they have a brush, so I love using lip brushes to define my lips and smudge everything out. And then I also got a PR package from Too Faced. I haven't looked in here yet, so I'm excited. Let's take everything out. So it looks like they have a limited edition makeup collection. So it comes with this eyeshadow palette, which is beautiful. Big fan of the Too Faced eyeshadows. And then it also comes with the lip injections. What a pretty color. I sent over their Let It Snow globes. This looks cute. Oh my gosh, they're eyeshadow palettes. This is so freaking cute. And they have to and from on the back. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have this one. Love the artwork on these. This one. So pretty. And then this one. Oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty. Super cute face and eye palettes. Thank you, Too Faced. And then the last one is this, the Too Faced Mary Mary Makeup. This is cute. They always have the best packaging. So again, this is a face and eye palette. We have some blushes here, in some really, really beautiful shades. This green though, that green is gorgeous. Look at these, so pretty. What her see little funny do? I feel like, considering how I feel, today was a really productive, good day. I am going to wrap up the vlog because I would like to get it up today. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow on Sunday for day 3. Peace.